Hey y'all, hey, I'm so excited. Look what came, my new prescription glasses from the Pair Eye. They just came, they just arrived. I opened the box. Let's see what they working with. Yes. Look what came. This should be what the Black Panther, Wakanda Forever, and these are the actual prescriptions. Okay, it came also with this cute case, so you can put your top frames in there, and it says up to two. I'm sorry. So you can put your glasses in there and your tops in there. And this is really cute carrying case. Okay, so we got the prescription lenses in with the progressive lenses. I waited about 2 weeks, so let's give these babies a try. I did. Pair Eyes has a partnership with Marvel, and they have all kinds of sets. Anything that you love from the Marvel, they have it. And y'all know when I seen Black Panther, I had to go in with the Black Panther. So these are the Zuri frames. Zuri, let me know if you think those look good on me. I was torn between the Zuri and the Larkin. So let me know what you think. Okay, bam. Black Panther. Wakanda Forever. Yes? Yes. I love how you can layer these. Watch this. The left hand not acting right, but that's okay. We're going to work with it. All right. The Women of Wakanda. Yes, we here for it all day, every day. We coming for you. The Women of Wakanda. Yes, self-care for the eyes. We taking care of the eyes. We got our diabetic retina screening going. We got our yearly eye exam going with a new prescription with bifocals. So now we got our progressive lens in there. The Black Panther. Wakanda Forever. What y'all think? Y'all think I should keep these? Or try some new ones? They feel pretty good. This is the Zuri. All right. I'm excited. This could be a problem. This could be a very serious problem because y'all know I'm going to go back in and try to see what else they're working with. Okay. Let me know what you think in the comments.